Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how you can add a Business Central page into your Microsoft Teams. This feature is particularly brilliant because it doesn't require a Business Central license in order to view the page that's been shared in the Teams. It only requires a Microsoft Teams license. We're going to be running through a scenario that's relevant particularly for our Shipment Connector users. But first, we're going to start in Microsoft Teams, where we're going to be adding the Business Central app into the Teams. Firstly, you're going to be pressing the Add a Tab button at the top of your Teams. This will open this window where you've got a brief overview of recently used apps, which could be relevant for your team. We're going to click this More Apps button in the left corner here. Then you can search for whichever app you want to add to your Teams, but in this case, we're adding Business Central, so we're going to be searching for that. And when you found your Business Central, you press that, and afterwards you click Add. It's worth mentioning that you can actually add both Business Central to a team and to a chat. In this case, we're going to be adding it to a team, so we're going to press Add. And once you've added your Business Central to the Teams, you'll get this pop-up, which will give you a brief information of what it can do. So what we're going to start we're going to mention Business Central in the command box, which is the search field at the top here. So we're going to say @Business Central. This will show you what business information or company information that we're looking at the moment. You can switch this, like it says on the settings, but this sort of taps into the company in Business Central. So now we can go back into our Business Central, and we're going to be clicking the Shipment Connector here in the top corner and going to the Track and Trace list. Now that we're here in the Track and Trace list, there's a few things that are worth mentioning. You will have the timestamp of the shipment. You'll have the Track and Trace number, shipment type, document number, order number, etc., as well as shipping agent. It will show you all the relevant information that you'd need when you're sort of looking up which shipments are going out this day. On the right side, we've got our fact boxes, which have got the shipment info, which is going to be containing the package type, parcel, weight, length, width, all the dimensions, as well as the shipment receiver. Now, what you can do as well is if you'd like to just view what's gone out on this day, you can click on the button that's called View Current Day, which is what it's defaulted to show when you open it up. So it'll always default to the day. But if you'd like to go, let's say a week back, a customer calls in, he sent a package last week. You'd love to see that. You can click the View Last Week, and you can sort of direct your customer service towards that. You can also view last month, if you want to see what we sent within a month. But let's say hypothetically you've got a customer service department. A customer calls in. I don't know where my package is. It's got this document number, reference number. You can search it up in here. And you can then go into actions and you can press the track package function. Obviously, as this is a test, it doesn't go to the tracking number, but it will automatically take you to the shipping agent's web portal where it will find the status of your package. Now, in order to add this to the Business Central, all you have to do is go into the Share this page with other users or apps button, which is in the upper right corner, and then you click Share to Teams. Then you'll get a list of the recommended places where you want to place this. This could either be a chat or a group or a channel. We're going to put it into our customer service channel right here. And then once you've done that, you just click Share. and then you get a confirmation that it's been shared into your teams. So now we can go back into our teams, and then it will be placed within your team's channel. Now, in order to pin this and make it appear at the top here in the tab so that it's easy to open and you can delete, this message so it doesn't fill up your post part of your channel, you can go into details and it will actually open up the Business Central page inside your teams. So now it's loading. For a little bit. But this view inside team does not require a Business Central license. If you've got users, for instance, in your customer service, that wouldn't necessarily require a Business Central license. They could, by only having a Teams license, view this page that we just added. And they could easily access an overview of the packages that have gone out. Now, in order to pin it to the channel, you go up to the upper right corner here and click the pin to top of channel button right here. That will then add it to the top of your page. And then you've got a quick, accessible overview to your track and trace list in your Microsoft Teams. Very beneficial if you have a customer service or a sales department that would like to see this track and trace list. And yeah, I mean, you can add any page you'd like. You can add the overview for sales orders, warehouse shipments, but the sky's the limit. So thank you for joining us for this quick tutorial. If there's any questions, let us know in the comments below.